Thousands of veterans died waiting for care from the VA system. Secretary of Veterans Affairs Eric Shinseki insisted at a Senate committee hearing he is just as furious.
Any allegation, any adverse incident like this makes me mad as hell.
But that wasn't enough for lawmakers who demanded to know whether the department knew about allegations that some VA officials used secret waiting lists to hide long delays for care.
Isn't there evidence here of criminal wrongdoing? That is, falsifying records, false statements to the federal government? That's a crime.
Should be, yes.
Unlike other investigations on Capitol Hill these days, this grilling was bipartisan.
Do you believe that you're ultimately responsible for all this?
I am.
Rick is going to get to the bottom of this.
While the White House is standing by Shinseki, the president's chief of staff, Dennis McDonough, told CNN's Jake Tapper Mr. Obama lashed out when he first learned of the story.
Nobody's more mad than the president, and I have the scars to show it.
What's more outrageous is that advocates of veterans maintain accusations of long wait times and poor care within the VA system are nothing new, saying there's plenty of blame to go around.
The administration and Congress both bear the responsibility of these problems.
For now, the general turned secretary, now at the center of the VA firestorm, says he wants to stay to right the wrongs of the system he leads.
I intend to continue this mission until I'm satisfied either that goal or I'm told by the commander-in-chief that my time has been served.
And now Shinseki also testified that the problems at issue at the VA that are under investigation right now that he has found are so far isolated in his estimation. But the Inspector General who is looking at this case, he also cautioned that he has not yet found a direct correlation between these long wait times and veterans' deaths. But he also added, Michaela, that federal prosecutors are on the case.